Ding, ding. Hi guys, I'm starting a new video series called Vibe Money. Well, I'm gonna show you how to use AI to make more money. You probably see enough people talking on social media in such an annoying way. Oh my god, I have this cool business idea. I built this cool website and app. I make so much money now. Oh my god, I automate my entire marketing team and they're all agents working. I don't do anything. Oh my god, I just have customers coming like crazy. And they don't tell you how they do it, right? And they just brag about it. That's so annoying. What if I tell you how they do it? I'm gonna tell you the exact prompt they use, exactly the tools they use, so you can just copy, paste, and replicate their success. How cool is that? Well, each time it's a 10-minute series. Either I'm gonna show you a new business idea you can create using AI that people have been proving success for, or I'm gonna show you for existing business how you really kind of grow your business. It could be like a new lead gen flow of getting more leads. It could be using AI to automate a lot of your daily work. It could be like building your own software, building your own website, for your business to make yourself look better. Anyways, we're gonna cover that. I'm gonna show you each time the exact prompt I use. So you just need to copy, paste, and follow along, and you can enjoy making money using AI as well. Stay tuned.